Well, while we're on the topic, I may as well fix the New Jersey Devils goal horn because let's be real here, Howl by the Gaslight Anthem just doesn't quite get your rocks off, especially since it has nothing to do with the devil. But the one that I picked out has plenty to do with the devil. Let's see how it fixes it. Much better. At least in my opinion, because not only does it have to do with demons, but it actually has that fuck yeah attitude after you just scored, you know? Maybe that's just me. It's not my place to tell New Jersey Devils fans that their goal horn sucks. If they think it's cool, it's cool. I just think it sounds better that way.